For the faster time, download this app, Grid App for Artists. This is the app I personally use, and honestly, it is super easy to work with. First, click New Project. Then select a photo. After that, click on Canvas and choose your desired size. I am using A3 size here. I can adjust the photo to fit the canvas like this. Next, go to Adjustment, where you can change the brightness, contrast, saturation, and who as you like. Now select the grid color. If you want, you can even create diagonal grid. After that, to label the grid, select the label option. You can apply the labels to all the boxes or just on the edges. Make sure to increase the label size to larger so it is easier to see, otherwise it might be hard to notice. Finally, save your image to gallery. Alright, now let's see how to draw the grid on the drawing paper. First, take your paper, pencil, eraser, and ruler. Mark the paper every point to centimeters along both the length and width sides. Draw the centimeters boxes across the entire paper. Now, if you have kneadable eraser, gently erase the dark lines. Now let's add the edge numbers from the grid onto each row and columns. Next, start sketching the outline of the drawing. First, draw the picture slowly box by box. Finally, we will complete the full drawing using the outline we just created. Next, we will finish outline and color with color pencils in the next video. Like and subscribe us so you can watch it when I upload. Thank you for watching video.